Hi! First of all, please do not forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and do not forget to hit the bell to receive new videos. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of the shumer seeds on diet system. Shumer is a kind of aromatic herbs. This type of herbs has treatment of many diseases. Shumer used in manufacture of many medical drugs that treat many diseases. High percentage of fiber that drives people who want to lose weight to eat some quantity of shumer. It gives a special flavor to the food, and you can prepare a hot drink too. It prevents conversion of calories in the body in a form of fat. This good fiber ratio plays an important role in reducing cholesterol in the blood, thus preventing heart disease. As nutrition experts confirmed, it can increase the secretion of saliva and gastric secretions and bile extract that strengthens of digestive system, facilitates the process of release stool, protects it from intestinal cramps, and thus leads to weight loss. Oil of shumer seeds, which is one of the most important products that have a significant role in slimming the body and weight loss by strengthening process of body's metabolism and feeling of satiety. Therefore, some studies have shown the need to add shumer oil in the preparation of meals that reduce the appetite of food because it contains the melatonin, which regulates healthy sleep and controls on weight. Thank you for watching this video. Be safe.